I request all to please keep standing for Thapar anthem.
जयति जयति जय हे जयति जयति जय हे जयति जयति जय हे जयति जयति जय हे शशि रवि से निश दिन अभिनंदित जगमग जग कर दे जयति जयति जय हे जयति जयति जय हे शोध कार्य उद्योग प्रबोधन थापर की महिमा से प्रतीक्षण पग पग पर निज प्रभा पुंज पर जन मन तन हरि ले जयति जयति जय हे जयति जयति जय हे शिक्षा के संस्थान मनोहर आदेशों के स्रोत अनश्वर मातृभूमि का ध्येय निरंतर समरस स्वर दे जयति जयति जय हे जयति जयति जय हे जयति जयति जय हे जयति जयति जय हे जयति जयति जय जयति जयति जय जयति जयति जय हे जयति जयति जय हे
I request all present to please be seated. I request Director Sir to please declare the session open for convocation.
I declare the convocation open on behalf of President. This convocation of the Thapar Institute of Engineering and Technology, Patiala, has been called to confer degrees upon the candidates who have been certified to be worthy of receiving the same.
Further, sir, I request Director Sir, Professor Padma Kumar Nair sir, to please address our degree recipients.
Good morning. I think this is not energetic enough. Good morning. Wonderful. Esteemed faculty, members of the Senate of our university, dear colleagues, proud parents, grandparents, and the friends and relatives of our graduates, more importantly, dear, proud graduates. Today is a wonderful day for all of you. When thinking about your time together, I can't help but think about a famous quote from a Vietnamese Buddhist philosopher. We are here to awaken from the illusion of our separateness. Think about this beautiful mosaic of diversity present in our university. Diversity of thought, diversity of action, diversity of expectations, and diversity of worldviews. You work together, you laugh together, you cry together, and finally, and you had several all-nighters, sleepless nights, finally, you all have come out looking fabulous. You have done a wonderful job, and you deserve a real round of applause. when thinking about your journey forward, I want to give you few ideas, maybe few questions, and also 2 or 3 instrumental values that would help you navigate through your life. Remember, due to all these technological advances and also change in human expectations, many things have changed in the last 300 to 500 years. I'm not just talking about the new AI or Internet of Things revolution. I'm talking about what happened in the last 500 years. Life expectancy have changed from about 35 years on an average to almost 80 years. The world population has increased from about 500 million to about 8.2 billion. Think about a life expectancy today of 80 years. I'm 62. By the time you reach my age, life expectancy would be 90 plus. You're not looking for a 30 or 40 years career. You are looking for a very long career. And also remember, when you started your computer science degree, you were not really talking about large language models or generative AI or chat GPT. Even though the idea of new transformer architecture was indicated in a conference publication that came out in 2017. The title was Attention is All You Need. World is changing. Think about the idea that today you can decide what would happen in 4 years. Probably we are fooling ourselves. It may be easy to look back and change history, but not that easy to predict the future. I want to start with talking about 3 interesting, useful, instrumental values: empathy, humility, and courage. I would look at empathy as a nuclei for achieving excellence. Empathy is not about feeling sorry for someone. It's about being able to understand other people's emotions and being able to emote with them. And when we say here at TIET, empathy is the mother of excellence, because life is all about learning and creating and helping. Learning, creating, and helping. At the end of the day, that is what makes us human. Learning, creating, and helping. Helping whom? Helping others. It is, when we talk about helping and learning, it is not self-glorification. Unfortunately, sometimes our society is quite preoccupied, obsessed with individual achievements. You know what? These media, both print, social media, and other online media, talks about something called AIR. It's not All India Radio, it is All India Rank. I don't think many of us would really worry about what a stranger scored in his or her IIT, JEE Advanced, or highest CAT percentile. Most of us would not care. Empathy is all about understanding other people's emotions and being able to emote with them, and creating systems, processes, artifacts, and products that would make everybody's life better. So the sense of empathy would get you into this journey of seeking excellence. The journey of seeking excellence is the notion that I want to do it better than before. The idea of doing it better than before. Then comes humility. Humility is the precursor to learning. It's a personal story from about 40 years ago. I left India for my higher studies. My first stop was the Netherlands. Those days, a return ticket was much cheaper than an one-way ticket. So I bought a return ticket valid for 3 months. After 3 months, I went back to Kerala, where I'm from, to visit my parents and friends. They all were very curious. They asked me, what did you learn in these 3 months? This was a long time ago, about 40 years ago. I didn't think. I told them I've learned to say, I don't know. Socrates once said, true knowledge, true wisdom is about knowing we know nothing. This newfound appreciation of ignorance truly liberated me. It helped me ground in humility and also made me open to learning anything and everything. I'll come back to learning little more about it a bit later. Then comes the idea of courage. I'm not talking about raw courage of fighting with someone or picking up the gun and shooting. I'm not talking about raw courage. Those are sometimes raw courage is important. I'm not nullifying the importance. But the courage I'm talking about is the courage to deviate. Courage to deviate is the nuclei for innovation. Deviation is the only way we innovate. Unfortunately, our family and parents and teachers all the time tell us, follow the norm, follow the rules. I'm not telling just arrogantly deviate. What I'm talking about is deviate to achieve a higher purpose. Everything we see today is because someone courageously decided to deviate. Whether it's a scientific discovery, you know that the transformer architecture is a deviation from recurrent network model, recurrent neural networks. So the question is whether it is about scientific discovery or whether it is about our understanding of Earth is not flat, it is round. It is all about courageously deviating. And for deviating, you need courage. And it is really, most of the time, it is not the courage to fight with someone. Courage to fight with your own orthodoxies and beliefs. Then comes the idea that I've already mentioned about all those changes that has happened in the last 300 to 500 years. Look at as engineers, what happened with the Industrial Revolution 1? Discovery of steam engines. What happened then? Most jobs needing power and speed got replaced. Then comes electricity and automation. Most jobs needing precision and repetition got replaced. Today, we are experiencing this fabulous, beautiful revolution of Internet of Things and AI and big data. This revolution is replacing most jobs needing abstracting simple rules from large sets of data. The idea of big data and smart algorithms. I can go on talking about it, but just to keep it short, but then you would wonder what kinds of jobs are you going to find? Or what kinds of jobs the entrepreneurial spirit in you is going to create. Those are the jobs where you need to abstract simple rules from small sets of data when it is cognitively complex and morally and ethically challenging. Those are the most interesting jobs. That you need computer programming and architecture and how to build these large language models, and also a different way of looking at the world to critically reframe issues, a transdisciplinary lens of understanding. Recently, this semester, we have introduced a new core course to all our engineering students. It's called the evolutionary basis of human behavior. As computer scientists, you're always building artifacts that are not that the typical ones. You see, 30, 40 years ago, nobody even could think of something called a software. Especially no lay person could think of. But you're not making a building or a machinery or a road or a bridge. You're building something quite unique and special. That means that you need to be even more empathetic about how you build that interface. It's not going to be easy. You should develop that kind of a transdisciplinary view of the world. I also want to tell you some interesting story. I started teaching this class, Evolutionary Basis of Human Behavior for Engineers. One of the students told me, Professor, this is a useless course. I immediately thanked him and told him, I'm very happy that you told me for two reasons. One, I would sharpen my arguments why this course should be. Number two, the simple fact that you could make a statement without any empirical evidence or scientific reasoning is the very reason that we should have that course. It's very important. Now, finally, to navigate through, I want to leave you with 3 questions. Those are, who am I? What is changing around me? And what is my dream for humanity? Who am I? What is changing around me? And what is my dream for humanity? When you ask this question, who am I? Then what comes to my mind is, what is a good education for? The purpose of education, especially higher education. Higher education has 3 distinct purposes. To help you know who you are, the idea of self-knowing, then let you or facilitate your achievement of intellectual humility and intellectual openness. Intellectual humility is all about, it is not that I am right all the time, I could be wrong more often than otherwise. And finally, a good education to help you be that person who would always seek excellence. Finally, I want to leave you with a few other ideas to reflect on. One is this notion of success. Unfortunately, success is defined by someone else for you. Either your parents, grandparents, your relatives, your friends, or your professor, or a social media Instagram influencer. My call for action is go ahead and define success for yourself. By you, of you, for you. Once you define success for yourself, based on who you are, what is your dream for humanity, probably you would create a unique space for yourself. Then there will be no competition. Once again, you deserve this honor. You have done it. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. Now the awarding of BE degrees shall commence. I request Head Department of Computer Science and Engineering to present the degree recipients.
A very good morning to all of you. Sir, I present Mr. Aniket Saran and 64 others who having satisfied the requirement for the degree of Bachelor of Engineering in Computer Science and Business Systems are considered worthy of receiving the same. I recommend that they all, including those in absentia, be admitted to the said degree. Aniket sir. Prabhav Chopra. Lavnish Garg. Sakshi. Nohar Chopra. Akshara Bhushan. Jagrit Agarwal. Himanshi. Japneet Kaur. Utkrish. Paras Thapar. Gaurav Mehta. Uday Aryan. Aditya Dheer. Sharandeep Singh. Shivam. Kanwarbir Singh. Ayush Verma. Ansh Khanna. Saksham. Gurleen Kaur. Karnika. कशिका, समीहा, समिक मल्होत्रा, उज्जवल सिंह, नेहा अग्रवाल, ईशानी शर्मा, अंकिता, राशि गोयल, दिवेश, गुंजन शर्मा, राघव, दिविज कालरा, कृष गर्ग, इनिश बंसल, खुशी, अश्वित शर्मा, अविरल नागपाल, स्तुति राय, साहिल अग्रवाल, गीष्णा, कुशांग गर्ग, खुशी थापर, अक्षत सिंगला, दिविजा, सृष्टि मित्तल, सार्थक वैद, रोहन गुप्ता, शगुन शर्मा, अर्नव अग्रवाल, समर्थ जैन। Sir, I present Ms. Aisha Sood and 208 others who have satisfied the requirements for the degree of Bachelor of Engineering in Computer Science and Engineering, Patiala campus, are considered worthy of receiving the same. I recommend that they all, including those in absentia, be admitted to the said degree. Aisha Sood, Abhineni Karthik, Anhat Singh, Priyanshu, Gurbani Kaur, Arjun, Chandan Sharma, Anubhav Raman, Rupanshi Jain, Anant Roop Mathur, Harsh Kumar, Siddharth Trivedi, Gaurav Gupta, Siddharth Bal, Amrita Bhatia, Shauryaman Kale, Manmeer Kaur, Reva Singh, Manpreet Singh, Ananya Thomas, Nitansh Jain, Vanshaj Duggal, Lakshay Arora, Ira Vashish, Kartik Kumar, Kuldeep Raj, Satvik, Darshan Patel, Jashanveer Kaur, Kartik Bharti, Shikhar, Arush Singh, Kushdeep Kaur, Harmanjot Kaur, Amoldeep Singh, Ashpreet Singh, Jatin Kumar, Adil Singh, Simrata Kaur, Raghav Singh, Taranpreet Kaur, Bisman Kaur, Lakshit, Aryan Bhushan, Lakshay, Veer Pratap Singh, Simranjeet Kaur, Mohammad Zishan, Amritpal Singh, Keshav Garg, Tanveer Singh, Tarandeep Singh, Pranvi Vashisht, Garima, Manvendra Prasad, Kanika, Prasoon Tiwari, Kaspreet Kaur, Yuvraj Kalsi, Dev Gulati, Nimish Lakmani, Ananya Agarwal, Girisha, अश्लेष सागर, मेहताब प्रीत कौर, निर्भय मखीजा, नितिन कुमार, ऋषि मलिक, लक्षित पांडे, नमन खुराना, रिद्धिमा, नंदिनी गोयल, अक्षित, रजत पॉल, उत्कर्ष, रमेश कुमार, अनमोल शर्मा, अभितेश सिंह, हिमांशु नागपाल, चिराग नायक, खुशी गोयल, मिताली जैन, नविश कुमार, अनिरुद्ध सक्सेना, सुवंश शर्मा, अंकिता शर्मा, नंदिनी, प्रगति, गुरचरण कौर, कौरा, साहिल बेन, हरजोत सिंह, शिवम, ऋषि अवस्थी, मनजोत सिंह, मनप्रीत सिंह, युवराज, गर्वित बत्रा, हर्ष गर्ग, मार्टिन कौशल, सुधित सोनी, राधिका अग्रवाल, शांतम आनंद, उद्रिका जैन, नूरदीप कौर, गुरनेट सिंह, अक्षत गिरधर, रौनक कुमार, नवरीन कौर, शबरोज कौर, जैस्मिन बत्रा, आकाशदीप सिंह, यशवर्धन अरोड़ा, अर्नव, प्रियांशु झा, जसनीत कौर, प्रथम अग्रवाल, मनवीर सिंह, रीना अरोड़ा, नंदिनी गुप्ता, विग्गी सिन्हा आदित्य, मन्नत, श्रेयस राणा, जसकीरत सिंह, राहुल सिंह, जितेश गर्ग, संध्या गोयल, सौरभ ठाकुर, ईशिता, पर्व गुप्ता, कनुज, विशालाक्षी, वर्चस्व, सक्षम सूद, निवेदिता वर्मा, रोहित कुमार, राघव शर्मा, त्रिशा अरविंद, लक्ष्य कदम, आदित्य अग्रवाल, अभिनव त्यागी, मिशिका गर्ग, साहिल सिंगला, वंशिका गुप्ता, औरव एस तोमर, नंदिनी मेहता, शुभम साहू, फलित जोतवानी, आकाश मिश्रा, देवांग नरूला, इकनूर सिंह, इशप्रीत कौर, लगन कपूर,
You can clap rather than chit-chatting, please.
Lakshay, Rahul Sharma, Shubham Paul, Taranpreet Singh, Mukul Sharda, Gaurav Gupta, Mohit, Kartik Srivastava, Rudransh Bansal, Gaurav, Navjot, Surbhi Mishra, Mahima, Puneet, Sankalp Sharma, Abhimanyu, Arpit Taneja, Deepjot Singh, Jaskaran Singh, Siddhant Sharma, Pranav, Suyash Singh, Sanai Diwan, Ashish Kumar, Akash Gupta.
Today is the birthday of one of our dear graduates, Nivedita Verma. That's your name? Yes? Yes? So, let's sing a happy birthday song for her. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, dear Nivedita. Happy birthday to you.
All degree recipients to rise, please.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as chairman of the Senate of Thapar Institute of Engineering and Technology, Patiala, I do hereby admit each of these candidates to their respective degrees and charge them to prove worthy of the same throughout their lives.
Now the students will take pledge. I request Aniket Saharan to come on the dais.
I pledge my knowledge and intellectual attainment to humanity. I shall use it in a manner befitting the honor and dignity of my country and of my alma mater. I shall make every effort in all circumstances to uphold the dignity of my profession and integrity of character. I shall endeavor in every way, through thought, word, and action, to bring about the well-being of people. I shall live a well-disciplined life and shall never forget the commandment of sacred scriptures and institute motto. Thou shalt perform deeds that are commendable and no others. Truth triumphs, falsehood never.
I request all to please stand for national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंग तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
I request all to please keep standing till the academic procession leaves the hall. The students are requested to leave through the gate right to me, and parents are requested to leave through the gate left.
And to kindly keep standing till the dignitaries come on the dais and be near to their seats. Please be standing for Thapar anthem.
जयति जयति जय हे जयति जयति जय हे जयति जयति जय हे जयति जयति जय हे शशि रवि से निश दिन अभिनंदित जगमग जग कर दे जयति जयति जय हे जयति जयति जय हे शोध कार्य उद्योग प्रबोधन थापर की महिमा से प्रतीक्षण पग पग पर निज प्रभा पुंज पर जन मन तन हर ले जयति जयति जय हे जयति जयति जय हे शिक्षा के संस्थान मनोहर आदर्शों के स्रोत अनश्वर मातृभूमि का ध्येय निरंतर समरस सा स्वर दे जयति जयति जय हे जयति जयति जय हे जयति जयति जय हे जयति जयति जय हे जयति जयति जय जयति जयति जय जयति जयति जय हे जयति जयति जय हे
All present may please be seated. I will request now Director Sir to kindly declare this session of the convocation open.
I hereby declare that this session of the convocation is open.
Now I'll request Director Sir to please come on the dais and address the degree recipients.
Good morning. I think that's not good enough. Good morning. Excellent. Esteemed faculty, members of the Senate, dear colleagues, proud parents, grandparents, friends and relatives, more importantly, my dear, proud, brilliant graduates, you have done it and you really deserve one more applause. When thinking about your achievement as a beautiful, diverse group, an interesting quote by a famous Vietnamese Buddhist philosopher comes to my mind. We are here to awaken from the illusion of separateness. Think about it. We are here to awaken from the illusion of separateness. You are a beautiful mosaic of diversity, diversity with respect to thoughts, action, expectations, and world views. You have worked very hard. You laughed. You cried. You have had several sleepless nights, but you have come out beautifully well, and you are here. Here you are, ready to get your degree. I want to leave you with a few thoughts and few questions and few ideas to reflect on. I'll start with 3 instrumental values. These values are empathy, the source of excellence; humility, what will lead you to knowledge; and courage is the starting point of innovation. Empathy is not about being sorry for someone. It's all about being able to understand other people's emotions and being able to emote with them. Here at TIET, we say that empathy is the mother of excellence. Life is all about learning, creating, and helping. When it comes to creating and helping, empathy acts as the nuclei. Helping whom? Helping others. When you think about creating systems and processes and artifacts and products for others, it would be a good idea if you can understand how they feel and if you can feel with them. That's the reason why we say empathy is the mother of excellence. About humility, I want to start with a personal story. This story backs about 40 years ago. My first trip abroad for my higher studies. My first stop was the Netherlands, and during that time, one-way tickets were way more expensive than return tickets. I bought a 3-month valid return ticket, went to the Netherlands, went back after 3 months to Kerala, where I'm from, to visit my parents and friends. They were very curious. They asked me, what did you learn in these 3 months? My answer was very simple. I learned to say, I don't know. There are many things I don't know, and that is what I learned there. This newfound appreciation for ignorance have truly liberated me. It helped me ground in humility and go for learning whatever is possible. Socrates once said, true knowledge, true wisdom comes from knowing you know nothing. The more you appreciate ignorance, the more you will be open to learning with a sense of humility. When it comes to courage, I'm really not talking about raw courage. By the way, don't misunderstand me. I'm not trivializing raw courage. Courage is important. But here I am talking about the courage to deviate. Your teachers and parents and friends and everyone would tell you that you follow the norms. All the great things in the world has happened when someone decided that I am going to deviate from the norm for achieving a higher purpose. I'm not talking about deviating from the norm for selfish reasons. Deviating from the norm for achieving a higher purpose. So empathy, humility, and a courage to deviate from the norm. Deviation is the mother of innovation. You're all computer science students. You know that how much world has changed when computer architects or algorithm developers have deviated from the standard recurrent neural network model to a transformer architecture. It started with a paper published in 2017 by a group of people from Google and few other universities. The title of the paper was Attention is All You Need. It was a conference paper, 2017. You can search and find. Deviated from the standard norm of one way of looking at architecture to the transformer one. So every innovation is a deviation, but deviation for a higher purpose. The notion that earth is flat, someone showed the courage to deviate. And also remember, you are not typically showing courage to fight with someone else. You are showing courage to fight with your own orthodoxies and beliefs. What stops us from doing good for humanity and doing wonderfully well is our own beliefs and our own orthodoxies. Look at what has happened as engineers. Look at what has happened in the last 300 to 500 years. Bit of history will always help us have a useful perspective of the future and the present. Last 500 years, two distinct things have happened. I'm not talking about the invention of penicillin, or I'm talking particularly about Internet of Things and large big data or AI. I'm talking about life expectancy have increased from, on an average, 35 years to 50 years. And world population has increased from 500 million to about 8.2 billion. Look at technologically what changed in the last 300 years, starting with the Industrial Revolution. Discovery of steam engine replaced most jobs needing power and speed. Then comes electricity about 100 and some years ago, and automation. Combined electricity and automation replaced most jobs needing precision and repetition. Today, big data AI revolution is replacing most jobs needing abstracting simple rules from large sets of data. It's all about the big data revolution and smart algorithms. You would wonder what kinds of jobs you are going to find and find it interesting, and what kinds of jobs some of you are going to create. Those of you who are entrepreneurially minded. Those jobs that you are going to find and create are the ones where you will abstract simple rules from small sets of data where it is cognitively complex and morally and ethically challenging. That's going to be the world. Think about it. Computer engineers, computer scientists are a very different breed of engineers. Historically, engineers made artifacts, products we could touch and feel. Software, it's very difficult to touch and feel. That means when you are creating softwares, you need to be even more empathetic about the users. You rarely create software. You rarely create anything. We rarely create anything for our own personal use. All what we create, very little is for our personal use. We create things for others. That's also the reason why we say empathy is the nucleus. Empathy is the starting point. To navigate through, I have 3 questions for you. Remember, 4 years ago, almost no one talked about large language models, even though that was in existence. And almost definitely none of us talked about ChatGPT because it was there only for the last 2 years. So sitting here and thinking about, we can predict the future. If you do that, we are fooling ourselves. You know, it is relatively easy to look back and change the past. If you change the schema or change the view, lens through which you see the past, you can rewrite history. But predicting the future is going to be way more difficult. So you need to get prepared for that future, not by deciding what the future is going to be. What kinds of skills and attitude and worldview would help you deal with that future. So there are 3 questions for you. Question number 1, who am I? I'm 62, I'm still asking that question. Question number 2, what is changing around me? Number 3 is, what is my dream for humanity? Thinking about the first question, who am I tend to ask another question to answer the first question. What is a good education for? Especially higher education. A good education has 3 purposes. Knowing oneself and intellectually freeing oneself, self-knowledge, intellectual freedom, and getting into the journey of seeking excellence. What do we mean by intellectual freedom? It has 2 components, intellectual humility and intellectual openness. Intellectual humility is all about appreciating that we will be wrong more often than right. Only that would help you open up and learn more and treat people well and get you grounded in humility. Self-knowing, intellectual openness, and ultimately getting into this journey of seeking excellence, wanting to do it better than before. For whom? For others. Remember, sometimes as a society, even though we talk about very beautiful philosophical ideas, we are too much obsessed in the idea of individual achievement. Our news and internet space is always full of feeds about AIR. It is not All India Radio, it is All India Rank. We are so much obsessed with the idea that who got the highest JEE advanced score, who got the highest CAT percentile, who got the highest pay package. Life is way more than that. It is how we define our idea of success and how do we achieve it together. Think about this idea of success. Unfortunately, success is defined by someone else for us. Your family, your friends, your teachers, your professors, your social media, Instagram influencer would prompt you to define success. But my call for action for all of you is you challenge yourself, define success by you, for you, of you. Then, if you can uniquely define success, there will be no competition. Nobody else can occupy that space. Once again, you have done it. This is a wonderful day. I congratulate you again. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. Now the awarding of the BE degree shall commence. I'll request Head, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, to please come on the dais.
Sir, I present Mr. Sudhang Mahajan and 129 others who, having satisfied the requirements for the degree of Bachelor of Engineering in Computer Science and Engineering, are considered worthy of receiving the same. I recommend that they all, including those in absentia, may be admitted to the SAD degree. Sudhang Mahajan, Ashwit, Arshdeep Singh, Joddeep Singh, Abhishek Saxena, Gurnoor Kaur, Prakhar Pathak, Gurnoor, Mayank Rawat, Arihant Tanwar, Chaitanya Gupta, Chiranjeev Singh, Ritvik Roy, Abhishek Mahajan, Mohammad Al Sumaim, Navve Kumar, Nidhi Sonkla, Harneet Kaur, Harmandeep Singh, Dev Maheshwari, Armandeep Singh, Shubhashish Maiti, स्नेहलीन चीमा, प्रत्यक्ष अग्रवाल, हर्ष डावर, ओजस शर्मा, अस्मी लखानी, तन्वी, पार्थ वोहरा, कीर्ति छिब, सहज श्रीवास्तव, कार्तिकेय मेहरोत्रा, आस्था छाबरा, अर्जुन धवन, अर्श कांतिवाल, दिव्यांश कपूर, कलरव पवाडिया, अनुष्का गोयल, धृति तनेजा, सूर्यांश सिंगला, अभिमन्यु अत्री, स्माइली अग्रवाल, गुंतास ढिलों, अगमजोत सिंह, भूमिका गुप्ता, प्रखर धामा, सजीव यादव, सौरभ चौबे, अनमोल सांघा, गुरजीत कौर, रवि सिंह, जहानवी खत्तर, अंशुल कंवर, अभय बेदी, रॉयल गर्ग, अनन्या सिंह, रोहित बान्याल, शिवम धरवाल, मनमीत सिंह, श्रेया सक्सेना, अपर्णा, रिधम, अर्श, शायान, अभव गोयल, प्रथम मित्तल, दृष्टि भाटिया, गोविंद, आशीष दत्त, जशनप्रीत सिंह, स्वप्निल, तान्या गर्ग, वंशिका थापलियाल, प्रसून जैन, आर्यन शर्मा, दीक्षा रानी, सार्थक पनवर, अनन्या पांडे, रक्षित भारद्वाज, मान्या दुग्गल, देवांशु कौशिक, उत्कर्ष चौहान, गौतम मल्होत्रा, विशाल बंसल, अंकुर गोगिया, स्तुति, उत्कर्ष गणेश, वंश गुप्ता, रजत जैन, मेघना सिन्हा, नंदनी गोयल, विपाशा गुप्ता, आरुषि गुप्ता, पंशुल सक्सेना, अनन्या बसी, सक्षम मिंगलानी, ईशान बंसल, and Sania Agarwal.
Now I'll request Professor Shalini Batra, Head Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Patiala, to please come on the dais.
Sir, I present Ms. Yashika Agarwal and 789 others who are satisfying the requirements of degree of Bachelor of Engineering in Computer Engineering are considered worthy of receiving the same. I recommend that they all, including those in absentia, be admitted to the said degree. Yashika Agarwal. Chirag. Kirti Kapoor. अश्विन निगम, दीक्षा अग्रवाल, विदुल गुप्ता, आशीष कक्कड़, करण नासा, सनिध्य विजय, गुरदीप सिंह, जतिन गर्ग, हर्ष गुप्ता, रिया, सृष्टि शर्मा, प्राची गुप्ता, काम्या, प्रज्वल, अक्षी, समीक्षा, आयुष मोदी, मृत्युंजय दुबे, आशिमा माथुर, ततक्ष भगत, हिमांगी शर्मा, सिद्धार्थ यादव, सक्षम क्षेत्रपाल, कुणाल उत्तम, अर्जुन बटेजा, जूही कृष्णमूर्ति, आर्यन कपूर, निखिल बख्शी, रिद्धि अग्रवाल, अनुभव चावला, इनायत गोयल, ऋषभ गुप्ता, ध्रुव मिश्रा, रचित गुप्ता, कुणाल नारंग, अर्शदीप सिंह, कुणाल दुरेजा, तुषार कपूर, गोहन कोहली, अतुल ठाकुर, हरिशंकर कुमार, सुयश कुमार, सार्थक, गुरप्रीत सिंह,
You people can stop chit chatting, rather, you can clap for your fellows. Please.
रमनीत सिंह, सिमरदीप सिंह, गुंजन खुल्लर, दिया गुप्ता, रुपिंदर कौर,
ध्रुव,
जयती मिश्रा, उत्कर्ष चौधरी, गुरकीरत सिंह, आयुष अग्रवाल, गौरव पावा, कुणाल, दिव्यांशु गर्ग, वांश मल्होत्रा, यमन गोयल, कार्तिक अर्जुन सूद, तरुणजोत सिंह, आर्यमन कालिया, आदित्य बंसल, क्षिति गर्ग, अनामिका श्रीवास्तवा, आदित्य कुमार, आदित्या, प्रभजोत सिंह, श्रेया पवार, शुभम मल्होत्रा, ग्रेसी सिंह, आयुष तेजस, सुखनूर कौर, रितिका, सौमिल, अरहनजीत सिंह, अंचित राणा, आशीष, विशेष शर्मा, इश्नूर सिंह, मानसीदीप कौर, संयम सिंगल, अक्षित कथूरिया, प्रज्वल मेहता, शिवेश नरूला, दीपक बंसल, अर्पित सागर, सारांश उपाध्याय, दीपसी बंसल, इशित चौधरी, पुनीत कौर, अर्नव सिंह, गुरलीन कौर, करमवीर सिंह, विश्वजीत सिंह, निहाल सिंह, वासु वर्मा, दक्ष आजाद, अनुरीत कौर, पार्थ नासा, सिदकपाल सिंह, कमलप्रीत सिंह, विदिशा, प्रभजोत सिंह, रविंशु, कशिता, ऋषभ जलोत्रा, सिमरन कौर, दीक्षक, संयम सूद, अभिजोत सिंह, अरमान सिंह, गुरलीन कौर, रुपिंदर पाल सिंह, मनिंदर पाल सिंह, सिमरन भल्ला, मनदीप कौर, मनप्रीत सिंह, गुरकीरत सिंह, सहज प्रकाश सिंह, अंकुशदीप सिंह, धीरेन गर्ग, संचिता बोरा, गिरिक गर्ग, प्रांजलि सिंगला, समर्थ बब्बर, प्रथम, अंशिता, अंशिका, माधवन जिंदल, जयेश खुराना, धैर्य महाजन, सुदीक्षा रहेजा, अखर गौतम, निखिल उदय, हर्ष जोशी, Sharul, Divang Goswami, Parampreet Kaur, Chandan Kumar, Hunar, Abhinav Thakur, Shashank Singh, Vidarsh Upadhyay, Aviral Jain, Archie Gupta, Vanshika Nasa, Aryan Pratap, Shivom Bansal, Guntash Singh.
All degree recipients to rise, please.
By virtue of the authority vested By virtue of the authority vested in me as chairman of the Senate of Thapar Institute of Engineering and Technology, Patiala, I do hereby admit each of these candidates to their respective degrees and charge them to prove worthy of the same throughout their lives.
Now the students will take pledge. I request Sudhang Mahajan to come on dais.
I pledge my knowledge and intellectual attainment to humanity. I shall use it in a manner befitting the honor and dignity of my country and of my alma mater. I shall make every effort in all circumstances to uphold the dignity of my profession and integrity of character. I shall endeavor in every way through thought, word, and action to bring about the well-being of people. I shall live a well-disciplined life and shall never forget the commandment of the sacred scriptures and institute motto. Thou shalt perform deeds that are commendable and no others. Truth triumphs, falsehood never.
Degree recipient may please be seated. So now I request all present to kindly rise for national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंग। तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Please keep standing till the academic procession leaves the hall. We'll be requesting degree recipients to exit from this gate, which is on my right side, and parents to exit from the left gate. Kindly join us for the lunch, which is just arranged outside the auditorium. Thank you very much and enjoy your day. Present to welcome them by standing. All presents are requested to stand till the dignitaries come on the dais and be near their seat. Kindly keep standing. Please keep standing for Thapar anthem.
जयति जयति जय हे जयति जयति जय हे जयति जयति जय हे जयति जयति जय हे शशि रवि से निश दिन अभिनंदित जगमग जग कर दे जयति जयति जय हे जयति जयति जय हे शोध कार्य उद्योग प्रबोधन थापर की महिमा से प्रतीक्षण पग पग पर निज प्रभा पुंज पर जन मन तन हर ले मान मनोहर आदर्शों के स्रोत अनश्वर मातृभूमि का अध्यय निरंतर समरस सास्वर दे जयति जयति जय हे जयति जयति जय हे जयति जयति जय हे जयति जयति जय हे जयति जयति जय जयति जयति जय जयति जयति जय हे जयति जयति जय हे
All present may please be seated. I'll request Honorable Director Sir to please declare this session for the convocation open.
I declare that this session of the convocation be open.
Now I'll request Director Sir to please come on the dais and address the gathering.
Good afternoon. I think that's not good enough. Good afternoon. Excellent. Esteemed faculty, members of the Senate, dear colleagues, proud parents, grandparents, friends and relatives of our graduates, and most importantly, our brilliant graduates. Dear graduates, in your unique journey of contributing to this diversity we see here, I can't help but think about an impactful quote by a Vietnamese Buddhist philosopher. We are here to awaken from the illusion of our separateness. Think about it. We are here to awaken from the illusion of our separateness. That's where this unique journey of diverse individuals come to importance. Diversity of thought, diversity of expectations, diversity of action, and diversity of worldviews. You work together, probably you laughed together, cried together, you did everything together. Finally, after 4 years, you came out wonderfully well, and you deserve one more round of applause. Moving forward in your life, you're not looking at a career of 30 or 40 years. Remember, I am 62. By the time you reach 62, probably your life expectancy will be 90 or almost 100. You're looking at a very long career. Look at what happened in the last 300 to 500 years of development. Development of technology, development of human expectations. But two distinct things have happened. Life expectancy have changed, increased from about 35 years to more than 80. And world population has increased from 500 million to almost 8.2 billion. That comes with a lot of interesting challenges and opportunities. Before going into those, I would like to look at, as engineers, what has been changing with respect to technology, with respect to careers. What happened about 300 years ago with the discovery of steam engines, the first industrial revolution? Most jobs needing power and speed got replaced. Then comes electricity and automation. Most jobs needing precision and repetition got replaced. Today, we are experiencing the most wonderful industrial revolution, that is the data revolution or AI revolution, AI and big data revolution. What is that doing to all of us? Is that is replacing most jobs needing abstracting simple rules from large sets of data. Think about it. You would wonder, then what kinds of jobs are we going to find or to create? Some of you who are entrepreneurial, the types of jobs you are going to find or create are going to be the ones where you abstract simple rules from small sets of data. Think about it. Abstracting simple rules from large sets of data, if you have the right smart algorithm, it is very easy. Why? For example, take a smartwatch. Almost 1 billion people in the world are now wearing a smartwatch. You really don't have to worry about the causality of these relationships. If this is measuring trillions of data points every day across the world. So if you can find strong correlations, you don't have to worry about the causation. You don't have to worry about the theory behind it. But now, look at it, 1 billion data points versus 5 data points. So your jobs are going to be abstracting simple rules from small sets of data when it is cognitively complex and morally and ethically challenging. That's not a big data job. It's cognitively intense, and you need to look at the world through the lens, through a transdisciplinary lens. Now, I want to start with few of the instrumental values that would help you going forward in your career. It's not a short career. You are planning for a very, very long career. Think about it. When you started your computer science program, I don't think many of us started talking about generative AI or large language models, and definitely not ChatGPT, even though the transformer architecture was already available or published already in 2017. Now the question is, how do you think about the future? I can tell you, at least, I believe that changing the past is much more easier than predicting the future. Changing the past is all about changing the lens through which you see it. Predicting the future, if we think we can do it, I think we are fooling ourselves. I want to start with one of the most useful instrumental values, that is empathy. Empathy is not about being sorry for someone. It's all about understanding someone's emotions and being able to emote with them. Truly understanding others' emotions and feeling with them. That's why here at TIET, we call empathy is the mother of excellence. The idea of learning, creating, and helping. Helping whom? Helping others. Remember, most of what you create, most softwares you create, most other policies, processes, other artifacts you create are going to be used by others, not you. This is true for all of us. Most of what we create. That's why the purpose of life itself is about learning and creating and helping, and starting point is empathy. If you can feel what others are feeling, you will definitely create things better than before. That is the idea of getting into this journey of excellence seeking. Then comes humility. I like this story from my life. This happened about 40 years ago. I left India for my higher studies. My first stop was in the Netherlands. And during that time, a return ticket was much cheaper than a one-way ticket. So I got a return ticket, came back to visit my parents and friends in 3 months. They asked me, what did I learn? I told them it was easy. I learned to say, I don't know. Socrates once said, true wisdom, true knowledge is all about knowing we know nothing. Remember, humility and science sometimes contradicts. We are supposed to know everything. We are supposed to give a rational explanation to everything. Sometimes I jokingly call that kind of a behavior scientistic behavior, not scientific. What is scientistic behavior is, even though you don't understand it well, but you need to act like you understand it. As computer science graduates, you know that we have moved away from this waterfall model of software development. Today we talk about agile model. The philosophy of agile model not comes from our understanding of causality, but from a humble position that causal relationships are not always well understood. We go with a new philosophy. You might not have heard of that term. That is called a philosophy of effectuation. Causation means you do this, you get that causal connection. Effectuation is all about doing and learning and refining and adjusting. Agile approach to software development is about effectuation and also being empathetic. Don't forget that software is one of the most unique artifacts we produce today. 40, 50 years ago, we only built machines and bridges and airplanes and cars and roads, but never something nobody can see. So being empathetic and thinking about your users has become even more important. The third instrumental value I want to talk about is courage. Not courage to fight or shoot someone or hit someone. Courage to deviate from the norm. I'm not talking about selfishly deviating from the norm for your own selfish good. Deviating from the norm for a higher purpose. Remember, all great things, all great social changes have happened because someone has courageously decided to deviate from the norm for achieving a higher purpose. Let that be anything. Let that be once we believed that earth was flat and today we know it is not. Any change, any deviation. That's why we say deviation is the nuclei for innovation. Unfortunately, our teachers and influencers and our parents, everyone would like us to follow the norm. But my idea is just don't follow the norm or just don't deviate for selfish reasons. But if you're trying to achieve a higher purpose, show that courage to deviate. And many a times, that courage is not to fight with anybody. The courage is for questioning your own beliefs and orthodoxies. Now, for navigating your career, I want to leave you with 3 questions. Question number 1, who am I? Number 2, what is happening around me? And number 3 is what is my dream for humanity? What is happening around you is quite interesting. All of us keep on observing. But this journey of asking this question, who am I? I'm 62. I'm still asking that question. And what is my dream for humanity? When I ask this question, who am I? First things comes to my mind is, what is a good education? What is the purpose of a good education? 3 purposes. Knowing oneself and intellectually freeing. Intellectual freedom has at least 2 components. Intellectual humility and intellectual openness. Intellectual humility is all about saying that we could be wrong more often than right. Intellectual freedom would give you more and more opportunities to learn and change and probably innovate. Finally, a good education should help you get into this journey of seeking excellence. Finally, I want to leave you with this idea of what success is. Because every one of us are trying to be successful. Have you ever thought about what is the definition of success for you? Unfortunately, success is defined by someone for us, our teachers, our Instagram influencers, or our parents or relatives or our friends who define success for us. My challenge for you is, my call for action for you is, start defining success uniquely based on who you are and what is your dream for humanity. Once you do that, a success defined by you, for you, by you, that will be unique to you, and you will occupy a unique space, and there will be no competition. Once again, congratulations, and I'm very happy. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. Now the awarding of BE degree shall commence. I'll request Head Professor Shalini Batra, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, to please come on the dais.
संकल्प राणा, आरुषि शर्मा, तनिष्क सिंगला, अनुष्का, श्रेय, इवनीत कौर, जतिन टैंक, आरुषि चौहान, हिया दे सरकार, अंगद सिंह, गुरजंत सिंह, अजितपाल सिंह, गुरतरन सिंह, पलक, गौरी तिवारी, शशि पासवान, अर्शिया आनंद, चांदवी सेठ, प्रणव सूद, प्रथम आनंद, दिशिका गुप्ता, कनिष्का गुप्ता, शिवांश कपूर, गरिमा मिनोचा, हर्षिता पांडे, तन्मय शर्मा, नितांशु शर्मा, जसलीन, चाहत जुनेजा, अवनीत कौर, मेरामत सिंह, समरजोत सिंह, बिशनप्रीत कौर, शिवम तनेजा, वीरेंद्र सिंह, सुखराजवीर सिंह, शिवम गर्ग, दिव्यांशु आनंद, गोमसी गर्ग, तुषार गुप्ता, अनन्या सिंह, रोहित सिंगला, नवनीत सिंह, करणजोत सिंह, सहेज कौर, यशमीत कौर, अग्रानी, अर्जुन राय, विशाल सहगल, आदित्य भटनागर, शिवांक, सृष्टि गर्ग, अभिषेक जिंदल, जतिन सिंह, कशिका मोहिंद्रू, ओमीशा गुप्ता, मौखिक गुप्ता, ईशान गुप्ता, निकेत जिंदल, आदित्य सुदान, अक्षिता तायल, सात्विक महेश्वरी, अनन्या जैन, आदित्य दास, मन्नत रंधावा, रोमिल गुप्ता, वरिंदा खन्ना, प्रियाजोत गिल, वरदान खोसला, साची अरोड़ा, दीक्षा, सिद्धांत अग्रवाल, लीजा, आर्यन खटपाल, वीरेन खटपाल, छवि, पुलकित भाटिया, जतिन गोयल, राघव गोयल, सुमित जैन, अनन्या कुमार, अक्षत शर्मा, ईशदीप सिंह,
Kindly lay emphasis on clapping rather than chatting, please.
मानवी वर्मा, जशन वालिया, लगन गर्ग, अमन, एकम, गिरीश गुप्ता, विधि गुप्ता, नमन चोपड़ा, अनिलप्रीत सिंह, हार्दिक, हिम्मत अमोलक सिंह, मानव, नाजनीन संधू, चारू बंसल, सुखमजीत सिंह, हिमांशु, राहुल ठुकराल, विशाल सिंह, सात्विक शर्मा, हरीश गर्ग, पंचद सिंगला, केतन सिंह, भानवी, भव्या मरवाहा, समर्थ भाटिया, करण सिंगला, कार्तिक परूथी, सिद्धि अग्रवाल, निकुंज बंसल, ग्रंथ धीर, मान्य जैन, तेजस्वी एस जैन, मनावी कालरा, आर्यन सहगल, मुकुल सिंगल, लक्ष्य सिंगला, जानवी, आरुषि गर्ग, गौतम दांग, गोविंद दावर, अंशिका जैन, अदिति निर्वाण, आर्यन रस्तोगी, शिवम शर्मा, निकुंज सिंगल, विश्वेश लांबा, आराध्या सिंघी, करातू, क्रतु, अभिषेक अग्रवाल, वीर दक्ष अग्रवाल, ऋषभ सचितन सिंह, एस सिद्धार्थ, वेदांत सूदन, सुखवीर सिंह, प्रांजल अरोड़ा, इक्षित, पारुष, सरताज सिंह, अदिति अग्रवाल, पीरम नागा, अक्षित गोयल, भव्या गुप्ता, ईशान मजूमदार, अनिरुद्ध अग्रवाल, राघव गर्ग, आकर्ष मिगलानी, पीयूष शर्मा, युवराज, अर्चिता गौतम, विनायक पांडे, आदित्य सिंह, संजोली अग्रवाल, जसकरण सिंह, दिया मल्होत्रा, प्रतीक शेरावत, शाश्वत कृष्णा, सुप्रीत कुमार, दीपांकर वर्मा, प्रणव सिंह, अनीश अग्रवाल, प्रणव सिंह, I've already called your name. प्रणव सिंह, अनीश अग्रवाल, आनंदी बाली, अभिषेक वोरा, बंधन शेर सिंह, आरुषि शर्मा, अर्नव निझावन, सरीशा अग्रवाल, यामिनी बंसल, लक्ष्य भारद्वाज, स्मिति सिंह, कुंवर अपूर्वादित्य, विशेष चहर, अंकुर प्रालिया, अंशिका सिंगला, प्रीतिका शर्मा, लक्ष्य चेतल, तरुणा जैन, साहिल का ध्यान, रिद्धि, मणि गर्ग, इरेश कुमार सिंगला, रोहन, अंकुर गर्ग, कार्तिक तलवार, हरसिमरन सिंह, आकाशप्रीत, सहजबीर सिंह मान, देव कुचल, संस्कार मोहन, रोहित थापर, दीपक, सुखमनजीत सिंह, सिमरनप्रीत सिंह, जसकरणदीप सिंह, अवनीत कौर, कपिल अग्निहोत्री, सरिष्टि चोपड़ा, हर्षिता गुप्ता, लोकेश सोडी, हर्षिता सक्सेना, वासु प्रभाकर, हर्षिता सिंह, दिव्यम जैन, आर्यन, कनन सिंह सिंगला, मानवी, नयन ओरी, शुभम गुप्ता, नेहा अग्रवाल, तनिष्क आनंद, जतिन, ईशिका छाबड़ा, कुमार आदर्श, राहुल कौशल, तनिष कुमार गर्ग, माधव झाम, ईशिता अरोड़ा, अनिरुद्ध शर्मा, अंशिका, लावण्या गुप्ता, आरुषि अब्रोल, अमन अग्रवाल, स्पर्श चेत्री, अनुष्का देवांगन, किंजल गोयल, श्रुतम जैन, खुशी मित्तल, अभिनव वर्मा, ऋतिक कुमार सैनी, सश्रीक चौहान, अमन अरोड़ा, चिराग अरोड़ा, आर्यन जैन, हसिका टंडन, अमोघ बालिया, तने भाटिया, निमित धवन, अग्रिम सूद, अनार्या मलिक, गोरदांग उज्जैनिया, प्रियांशी सिंह, तनीषा प्रकाश, यशी श्रीवास्तवा, रिया, संचक सिंधवानी, सक्षम अरोड़ा, सलोनी सक्सेना, व्हाट्स योर नेम? सीक्वेंस में ही खुशी गौतम, तमन्ना अग्रवाल, राधिका अग्रवाल, भुवराज एस संधू, अनूप कौर, कमलदीप सिंह, रिया गुप्ता, गुनीव कौर, यतिन कमल, आर्यन, अक्षिता, चयन सिन्हा, नमन, अभिषेक गांधी, साहिल ढिल्लों, रोहित, शिवांशी, अमरप्रीत, आरुषि, सुनिधि, चहक, दिव्यांश, जैनीश, जय and Gurjant Singh.
All degree recipient to rise, please.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the chairman of the Senate of Thapar Institute of Engineering and Technology, Patiala, I do hereby admit each of these candidates to their respective degrees and charge them to prove worthy of the same throughout their lives.
Now the students will take pledge. I request Sankalp Rana to come on dais.
I pledge my knowledge and intellectual attainment to humanity. I shall use it in a manner befitting the honor and dignity of my country and of my alma mater. I shall make every effort in all circumstances to uphold the dignity of my profession and integrity of character. I shall endeavor in every way through thought, word, and action to bring about the well-being of people. I shall live a well-disciplined life and shall never forget the commandment of the sacred scriptures and institute motto. Thou shalt perform deeds that are commendable and no others. Truth triumphs, falsehood never.
I'll request all to please rise for national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंग तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाता जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Please remain standing till the academic procession leaves the hall. Please remain silent. I'll request degree recipients to please exit from this gate, and parents are requested to exit from the left gate. Thank you and enjoy your day. Please keep standing for Thapar anthem.
जयति जयति जय हे जयति जयति जय हे जयति जयति जय हे जयति जयति जय हे शशि रवि से निश दिन अभिनंदित जगमग जग कर दे जयति जयति जय हे जयति जयति जय हे शोध कार्य उद्योग प्रबोधन थापर की महिमा से प्रतीक्षण पग पग पर निज प्रभा पुंज पर जन मन तन हर ले जयति जयति जय हे जयति जयति जय हे शिक्षा के संस्थान मनोहर आदर्शों के स्रोत अनश्वर मातृभूमि का ध्येय निरंतर समरस सा स्वर दे जयति जयति जय हे जयति जयति जय हे जयति जयति जय हे जयति जयति जय हे जयति जयति जय जयति जयति जय जयति जयति जय हे जयति जयति जय हे
I'll request all present to be seated. I'll request Director Sir to kindly declare this convocation session open.
I declare the convocation open on behalf of President. This convocation of Thapar Institute of Engineering and Technology, Patiala, has been called to confer degrees upon the candidates who have been certified to be worthy of receiving the same. I declare the convocation of this session open.
Now I'll request Director Sir to kindly come on the dais and address our degree recipients and the parents.
Good afternoon. I think we must have a very energetic one. Good afternoon. Excellent. Esteemed faculty, members of the Senate, colleagues, proud parents, grandparents, friends and relatives, and most importantly, our brilliant graduates. At this point of enjoyment and the diversity I see here, I can't help but think about an interesting, impactful quote by a great Buddhist philosopher. We are here to awaken from the illusion of separateness. Think about it. We are here to awaken from the illusion of separateness. You all have followed unique journeys to get here. Think about the beauty of the diversity we see here at our university. Diversity of thought, diversity of action, diversity of expectations, and diversity of world views. You have done many things together. You have laughed, probably you have fought, you have cried, you have had several all-nighters, sleepless nights, but you have come out fabulously well, and today is a great day Let's congratulate all of you once again with a round of applause. I want to do this address a bit differently. You're all computer science students. Computer science and engineering is truly a different kind of engineering. Even though every engineering, the basis is good maths and physics and logical thinking, but probably computer engineers are the only ones, they produce seemingly intangible stuff. Every other engineer would produce something you can touch and feel. Computer scientists produce software. And what happened historically, when computer engineering and the profession and the field of computer engineering started growing, naturally, we started copying from other engineering. That was the reason why, initially, the most popular approach to software development was the typical waterfall model. In that model, what we assumed was predictability. This is something very important for you to notice, why we moved from waterfall model to the agile method of software development. There, predictability and documentation is less important than coming up quickly with a working software, then we go back, change it, refine it, make it better and better and better. That is, and interestingly, it took quite a bit of time before we showed the courage to move away from traditional engineering approach to a new approach. Always remember, human brain has a tendency to define the new based on the old. It's almost impossible to define and describe anything new based on the new. We will always go back to define anything new based on the old, and that is also the reason why we started looking at computer engineering from the lens of traditional engineering. Now look at this agile method. There are many things to be learned from agile method. Number one is a slight deviation from the scientific approach. Scientific approach is all about plan, design, and do. But there is an assumption. That means we have rigorous scientific basis to plan well, predictably well, and construct it. But in reality, science is still limited. I'm a big proponent of good science, but there's so much to be known. Most of you have taken a flight sometime or other. You know that airplane wings used to be straight like this. Today you see something like this or something like this. They are called winglets. Our understanding of aerodynamics have improved so much that these winglets would do two things. Winglets would reduce drag so that you can save energy, and winglets would also reduce what is called wake turbulence. Wake turbulence is when a big plane takes off, it produces some horrible turbulence, and that can negatively affect the stability of smaller planes coming after it. The idea is, we have more than 100 years of aviation history, but winglets started appearing only in the last 20 or 30 years. So what we could know through scientific means and what we know today, they're quite minuscule. So that takes us to the idea of being humble. Whenever I think about knowing what we could know and being humble, I remember a personal story 40 years ago. I left India about 40 years ago for my higher studies. My first stop was the Netherlands. I took a return ticket because return ticket then used to be much cheaper than one-way ticket. It was return ticket valid for 3 months. I came back after 3 months to visit my parents and friends. They asked me, what did you learn in these 3 months? Remember, this was 40 years ago. I told them I learned something very interesting. I learned to say, I don't know. It liberated me. the newfound freedom of appreciating ignorance completely changed me. It grounded me in humility. It also helped me to be open to learning anything and everything. I remember a famous quote by Socrates. The true wisdom, true knowledge is about our understanding that we know nothing. So now comes the idea of empathy. I want to connect that back to this agile development. We do very little creation for ourselves. Think about it. Our parents, most of our parents prepare a good breakfast or a dinner or a lunch for us, not for just for them to consume, for everybody in the family. You develop softwares, not just for you to consume, for so many other people, sometimes billions of people. Life is all about learning, creating, and helping. Learning, creating, and helping. When you think about helping, what is the first thing that comes to your mind? Thinking about other person. Agile development is all about thinking about the users. So that's why here at TIIT, we say empathy is the mother of excellence. Empathy is not about feeling sorry for someone. It's about being able to understand other people's emotions and being able to emote with them, feel with them. That's why we say empathy is the mother of excellence, and excellence seeking is all about wanting to do it better than before. Better than before for whom? Better than before for others. Life is not about self-glorification. Unfortunately, sometimes many of us are too much obsessed with individual achievements. Our news media, print, online, social media feeds, flooded with this idea of AIR. Not All India Radio, All India Rank. How many of us would really care about a stranger standing first in IIT, JEE, advanced or highest percentile score in CAT or the highest salary package? Most of us would not care. So it is not about self-glorification. It is about creating something for the larger good. When we think about creating something for the larger good, rarely we can create anything fantastic if we don't show the courage and willingness to deviate from the norm. I'm not talking about deviating from the norm for selfish reasons. I'm talking about deviating from the norm for achieving a higher purpose. That needs courage. I'm not talking about typical raw courage. I'm not trivializing raw courage. We need our soldiers. We need people with raw courage to protect our nation. But here I'm talking about courage to deviate. Courage to question our own beliefs and our own orthodoxies. Only then we can create something really interesting. Think about it. Some point in time, most people believed Earth was flat. Today we know it is not. Some point in time, you software engineers, mostly dependent on recurrent neural networks. Today everyone is talking about transformer architecture. All right? When you actually think about what has been happening around you and see what happened in the last 300 to 500 years ago, many things have happened. Starting with printing press to printed books to penicillin to recently World Wide Web, Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, and advances in antibiotics and broadband telecommunication, so many things. But two things distinctly happened. One, world population increased from 500 million to almost 8.2 billion. And life expectancy increased from 35 years to almost 80 years. I am 62. By the time you reach my age, life expectancy will be more than 90 or 95. Therefore, you are not looking at a career for 30 or 40 years. Probably you are looking at a career for the next 70 or 80 years. And remember, when you joined 4 years ago, nobody talked about large language models or maybe very few, but definitely nobody talked about GPT. So that is the reason why if you sit and assume that I can predict the future, you are actually fooling yourself. You may be able to change the past by changing the lens through which you see the past. You can rewrite history in the way you see it. But predicting the future is way more difficult. How do you navigate in this complex world? I have three simple questions for you. Who am I? What is changing around me? And what is my dream for humanity? When we ask this question, who am I always think about what is the purpose of education, especially what is the purpose of higher education. Number one, it should help you know yourself. Number two, it should help you achieve what is called intellectual freedom. Intellectual freedom has a component of intellectual humility and openness. Intellectual humility is all about realizing that we could be wrong more often than right. Then the question of what is happening around us. As we were talking about 300 years ago, the discovery of a steam engine changed or replaced most jobs needing power and speed. Then comes electricity and automation. That replaced most jobs needing precision and repetition. Today, big data AI revolution is interestingly replacing most jobs needing abstracting symbol rules from large sets of data. What kinds of data are talking about? Billions and trillions of data points. You may not realize it. About 1 billion people wear a smartwatch. Expensive, less expensive, 1 billion people. Can you imagine how many trillion data points are being collected? Today, even scientific approach is being challenged. Traditionally, I used to teach in my research methods class, correlation without causation is problematic. Think about it. Correlation is a relationship between a variable A and a variable B. Correlation without understanding the mechanism, causation is problematic. Today it is not. If I have 1 trillion data points, correlation is consistent, I don't have to worry about causation. That's the way the world is moving. Now you would wonder, what is happening with the current AI big data revolution? It is replacing abstracting symbol rules from large sets of data. What kinds of jobs are going to be there? What kinds of jobs you are going to find and what kinds of jobs you are going to create as entrepreneurs? They are the ones needing the skills for abstracting simple rules from small sets of data. You are not talking about 1 billion data points, you are talking about 5 data points. When abstracting symbol rules from small sets of data, when it is cognitively complex and morally and ethically challenging, those are the jobs you are going to find it exciting and interesting. You cannot just see the world through the lens of only computer science or computer engineering. You need to see the world through the lens of philosophy and sociology and anthropology and evolutionary psychology. For your information, this semester we have introduced an interesting new course for all engineers called Evolutionary Basis of Human Behavior. I'm teaching one of those classes, and I had a very interesting experience. One of the students told me, "Professor, this course is totally useless." I said, "I'm very happy, thank you very much," for 2 reasons. One, this will make me sharpen my argument why this should be taught. Number 2, the very fact that you could make a statement without any empirical evidence or scientific basis is the very reason that you should be in my class. So the world is changing. You need to have an interdisciplinary view of the world to become a true professional. Finally, think about this idea, navigating through. You're asking these questions. Who am I? What is changing around me? And what is my dream for humanity? When you ask these questions, you can never forget this idea of success, because everyone is talking about success all the time. But unfortunately, the notion of success has been defined by someone else for you. Defined by your teachers, your parents, your friends, your Instagram influencer would define success. My challenge and call for action for you is, please reflect on it and define success uniquely for you based on who you are and what is your dream for humanity. Once you do that, you can carve out a unique space where you will be the only person and there will be no competition and your life will look more interesting and more exciting. Once again, congratulations to all. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. Now the awarding of BE degree shall commence. I'll request Head Department of Computer Science and Engineering to please come on the dais.
अनुभव गुप्ता, रिद्धि जैन, सर्वज्ञ जैन, समीर गोयल, नितेश जिंदल, निष्ठा भार्गव, गुंजीव सिंह, सिमरदीप सिंह, प्रभनूर सिंह, दिप्तेश मोहंता, अखंड वैभव सिंह, अंबोकर अथर्व, कार्तिक मदान, आयुष गिरी, रिया जितेंद्र तलवार, बलकरण सिंह, दिवांशी सैनी, आयुष, सोपन, हर्षित गोयल, अर्चित शर्मा, अर्चिता सिंगला, मुकुंद टंडन, जतिन मुदगल, दिव्यम अरोड़ा, आर्यन शर्मा, पार्थ, ओजस सोनी, शिवम अरोड़ा, आर्यन गुप्ता, अंगद मनरॉय, गुरलीन कौर, अगमप्रीत कौर, हरप्रीत कौर, पलक, गार्गी, केशव शर्मा, हिमांशु, अर्पित राज, आस्था गुप्ता, सहरूप कौर, अर्शजीत सिंह, मुस्कान आर्या, दिव्यांश बंसल, अनुष्का चौधरी, साहिल जिंदल, अभिनव सिंह, आर्यन यादव, आयुष, कनिका, आशुतोष वाजपेयी, अनमोल परमार, आरुषि गिरधर, अनुभव गुप्ता, अंशु मिश्रा, पुलकित, तारिक, निखिल, मानव बिंदाल, प्रांजल शर्मा, रक्षिका, अर्शिया अली, सार्थक नारंग, कृति भटनागर, कार्तिक कुमार, सिद्धार्थ, अविरल गोयल, मनन शर्मा, हार्दिक शर्मा, सान्या, श्रीमोन घोष, अच्युत तिवारी, ईशानप्रीत सिंह, कनन वर्मा, अनिकेत शर्मा, हर्षित गोगिया, सार्थक सक्सेना, विश्वम सलवान, चेरिश महाजन, कार्तिकेय कुमार, सिद्धार्थ, जिगीशा चोपड़ा, प्रतीक रुस्तागी, हर्षित शर्मा, यतिन गोयल, अनिरुद्ध जोशी, अर्नव गुप्ता, अनिरुद्ध ब्रायन, शगुन बोरा, अमितेश्वर सिंह, ऋषभ पुरी, मेघना, अभय कुमार सिंह, अंश चतुर्वेदी, सुशांत, अंगद सिद्धू, शुभ मेहतानी, वीरेंद्र वशिष्ठ, स्वाति सरन, सक्षम यादव, निपुण गर्ग, भव्य जैन, ईशिता नंदवानी, मानवी, सिमरन मलिक, विभव बंसल, योगेश मोदी, अर्शजीत सिंह, सुधा सत्वा खान, ऋषभ चक्रवर्ती, ईशान सिंह सोही, अमृतपाल सिंह, जीवन सिंह, अनुपम कटोच, मानव बंसल, हर्ष बिस्ला, ऋषभ मोहन, ध्रुव सिंगला, शौर्य मलिक, अक्षित मिगलानी, गणेश मित्तल, अमित कुमार, विशाखा, आयुष अरोड़ा, आदित्य अग्रवाल, सिद्धार्थ चौधरी, सान्या सचदेवा, प्रविंदर पाल सिंह, नीरज संदल, वैभव, गरिमा मित्तल, अनिरुद्ध कुमार, अनमोल वर्मा, दर्पण कुमार मित्तल, अनमोल असी, जसमीत कौर गिल, गौरी का ध्यान, पलक, हर्ष प्रजापति, ऋषु आनंद, ईशान जैन, अनन्या नाथी, सलोनी, वत्सला, मनमीत सिंह, ब्रह्मजोत कौर, अर्शिया, पवन सिंह सयाल, मितांश त्रिवेदी, जसलीन कौर, सक्षम ग्रोवर, अर्जुन पुंदीर, अनिमेश खन्ना, आयुष आश्रे, खुशंत राणा, नीरज गर्ग, हितेन नारंग, अमन मलिक, अंश गुप्ता, तन्मय गुप्ता, अनंत मिश्रा, वंश मित्तल, सुशांत विज, अर्नव गोयल, शीनू गुप्ता, अमीषा, केशव, साहिल छाबड़ा, सकेत कंधारी, साइलिश मक्कड़, पलक मोदी, विभव शुक्ला, खुशी खन्ना, यतिन, प्रथम गोयल, अंश कक्कड़, खुशी गर्ग, केशव गुप्ता, रोहित बिष्ट, उदय उप्पल, देवांशी, खुशमीत कौर, रेहा सेठ, रिया कपूर, अभिलाष जेना, नमय गुप्ता, प्रणव, आरुषि गुप्ता, अर्चित राठी, सुभव गोयल, खुशी भाटला, ऋतिक कक्कड़, अक्षत खोसला, लावण्य गुप्ता, सुखमन प्रीत कौर, तईशा, दिवांश शर्मा, यशस्वी गुप्ता, अक्षिता गर्ग, अक्षत श्रीवास्तवा, गौरांग सक्सेना, अतुल्य वैभव राय, ऋतिक अरोड़ा, सार्थक, अर्नव बर्मन, आरव गुप्ता, राहुल नारंग, मोहित चौधरी, आर्यन सूद, आशुतोष दुबे, चीरव गोयल, भावे आनंद, आर्यन अग्रवाल, संस्कार गुप्ता, श्रीधर सारदा, जतिन नरूला, कार्तिक गुप्ता, अभिनंदन सिंगला, आदर्श पाल सिंह, अशमीत सिंह संधू, दीपक मित्तल, Ignore Korwalia. Just a second. Gurpreet Kaur. Harshil Madan. Ishita. Nipun Gandhi. Parth. Sahil Atwal. Sahil Rai. Saisha Khurana. Sakshi. Sasmita Maharana. Shivang Kataria. Sparsh Lamba. Shivam. Dev Arora. Rajneesh Verma. Arunima Singh. Akshit Mehrotra. Neeraj Goyal. Himani. Ritvik Thukral. Shrey Saxena. Priyansh Agarwal. Sanya Sharma. Heetal Sharma. Harshvardhan Pandey. Jasmine Kaur. Mudit Saxena. Sarthak Tiwari. Samarjeet Balian. Ishan Chabda. Isha Goyal. Kirat Arora. Manik Garg. Abhishek Jindal. Meharpreet Kaur. Ashima Batra. Falguni Sharma. Devansh Garg. Karan Singh Thakur. Krish Mahajan. And Gursehaj Singh. Thank you.
All degree recipients to rise, please.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as chairman of the Senate of Thapar Institute of Engineering and Technology, Patiala, I do hereby admit each of these candidates to their respective degrees and charge them to prove worthy of the same throughout their lives.
Now the students will take pledge. I request Anubhav Gupta to come on the dais.
I pledge my knowledge and intellectual attainment to humanity. I shall use it in a manner befitting the honor and dignity of my country and of my alma mater. I shall make every effort in all circumstances to uphold the dignity of my profession and integrity of character. I shall endeavor in every way, through thought, word and action, to bring about the well-being of people. I shall live a well-disciplined life and shall never forget the commandment of the sacred scriptures and institute motto. Thou shalt perform deeds that are commendable and no others. Truth triumphs, falsehood never.
I request the director to declare the convocation closed on behalf of the president.
I hereby declare this convocation closed.
भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंग तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
I request all to please keep standing till the academic procession leaves the hall. So I'll request now degree recipient can exit from the gate on left of me and parents can exit from the right side. Thank you very much. Enjoy your day.